For the transparency part of the project, you'll need a transparency, a fine point marker, and a printout of the symbol or a drawing that you've made of the symbol that you've chosen. I chose a penguin because the character in my book is very protective, just like a penguin is when sitting on its egg. The final project will have my symbol on one side and my text evidence on the other side. If you want the text on the right, start by tracing the symbol on the right as well. This might sound confusing, but the transparency gets flipped over, so if you trace it on the right, it ends up on the left side. Think about how much space to leave for the text, and know it's okay if your symbol isn't completely in the picture, but sort of coming in from the side. Next, I have to choose a color family for my image. Colors can be symbolic too. For example, some people associate yellow with happiness, red with power, and green with luck. There are many different interpretations of colors by culture, and the way you view a color might not be the same as someone else. One thing to remember is the color you choose can be symbolic, and it doesn't have to be realistic. If I want a purple penguin for a symbolic reason, that's great. In my project, I'm going to choose blue for loyalty, even though penguins are obviously not blue. Neutral colors, black, white, and gray, are also good additions to your project. Trace your symbol with a permanent marker. Hold the permanent marker upright and not at an angle, which would work for a pencil, but not for these markers. Trace all the small details that might be useful. If there's some sort of a value change, you can trace it in with a pen. Again, I'm speeding up this part of the video because tracing is time-consuming. Take your time and be careful. This shows a good amount of detail, and this would not be enough.